spicy.
Hey Lucas, you want more? You want more? You like it?
The chicken's too spicy.
It's too spicy. Lucas.
Too spicy?
Lucas doesn't seem to be having a problem with it.
I am.
Hey Luke, are you excited?
I'll eat all of it. I'm having a problem with the chicken.
Are you excited? Oh, that's right. Cool it down. Good life, huh?
Great life.
You living the good life?
I live a good life.
Yeah?
Good lives are fun lives.
You gonna blow it?
Mm-hmm.
Blow it.
This is the best life ever.
Hot.
Do you want more? Lucas?
You shame of yourself.
You want more? Show me. Do you want more? Say bye.
Mom, take a picture of me
Hold on.
eating my food.
Hold on. Daddy can do it better because I have too many things in front of me.
Dad, take a picture of me while I'm eating.
You want more?